Hello everyone, today I'm going to tell you, thank you so much for 50 subscribers.
Oh, what
I
a
really
nice
appreciate
day to
you
be
all.
in
Thank
Chicken
you.
Gun.
Also
I
in
just
this
hear
video,
something?
I'm going to a
Wait,
public
what, the
server
chickens?
where they are building
Hey,
and stuff,
you!
so I hope you
faker,
enjoy
that's
it.
my video. Not yours,
Wait,
I'm going
who
to
said
kill
that? Oh,
you.
never mind.
So say your last words. Yeah, that's what I thought, little bro. Now where we... Oh yeah, the building competition. Hello everyone, today in this video, we will be building and stuff. So I hope you enjoyed it. And also, why wasn't I posting? Well, because I didn't have any ideas, so I just keep thinking and thinking, until now I get it. So I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, let's get building. Wait a minute, where are the buildings, and why is everyone fighting? Bro, did I just die by a cactus? Never mind, let's just build and forget about this all situation. Okay, now it started. To make me angry, I'm joining the fight! Game over for you all, stupid chickens or Rudies! I like this chaos. Okay, now, I'm going to quit yapping, and I'll enjoy the fight, and you the fans. Okay, this getting too chaos, I'm leaving now to calm down. As you see, this wasn't a building at all. It was a brutal chaos of fighting and shooting. And I hope you enjoy the video. And now I'm going to rest. So goodbye, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.